And single shines the triple sun. What was sundered and undone shall be whole, the two make one. By Gelfling hand, or else by none. By Gelfling hand? Do you know what that means, Kira?
Wait. This is a piece of the dark crystal.
Then that's what my master meant.
Yes.
If you ever feel confused about, how much free will do we have, and how much of everything is destined and how much of it is, free will and choice, use the law of correspondence, as above, so below, as within, so without. Observe how much free will the cells in your body have, and that'll give you an example of what type of free will is possible in this realm, So look at how much free range cells in your body have, because all cells, some cells operate only involuntary. Some cells may operate more so off of command, off of your conscious command. So, and just like in this body, some cells or some people listen to exactly what's being given to them without question. Some cells in this body like, wait, hold on, why I gotta do this? Why my mitochondria gotta, well, why? But again, to get to put it in perspective, I should say, because it's just having a certain viewpoint. That's why analogies are great teachers, because when you have a certain viewpoint about certain things, it kind of gives a deeper or greater understanding, and it helps to really truly conceptualize it, and you see the balance, with that perspective, again, like the balance of the free will in the body. Some cells could only operate through your conscious giving it commands. Some cells working while you sleeping, you know what I'm saying? I mean, shit, a lot of, most cells probably working while we sleeping, but you get the point. But again, look at the law of correspondence, and that'll kind of give you some awareness. And that's the same connection with, no matter where we want to say we're at in the universe, through the law of correspondence, we would have to be also inside of a being, you know what I'm saying? Just like on some Osmosis Jones shit. Like, yeah, I'm walking in this body with hair and this cell phone in my hand, but then in all reality, I'm actually like a blood cell just flowing through a vein, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying that's the, you know what I'm saying? I'm just giving an example, you know what I'm saying? Like a blood cell moving through a vein that has the opportunity to view its reality, a little different than what it actually is, you know what I'm saying, behind the scenes, But that definitely, helps give perspective